Hey, I've got new updates to show off about my game. Let me turn it on. And as you can hear, I've got music in the game now. I've made 3 tracks for the game. One is for the main menu and one for each faction in the game. I also got this new settings menu, and it has volume sliders for each category of sounds, and you can customize the volume and it gives feedback for the loudness of the sounds. And we also have full screen now. Okay, let's get into the game and I can show off some of the sound effects. And also new graphics for the game. We've got this new texture for the regions and the water, animated water all around it, and a bunch of sound effects. Units don't have any graphics yet, but aside from that, most of those is implemented already, and each faction has its own sound set. This I still have a little bit of pathfinding box to squish, but aside from that, the game is progressing quite nicely. I also have the settings available right in the game, and it works the same way as in the main menu, and it pauses the game. That's mostly it for what I've done. The AI has unblocked itself finally. We can hear some of the sounds I've made. And the sounds are placed in the world so they can be heard correctly according to the position where they are and zoom level. And that is mostly it for what I've done so far. But the game is starting to have some shape to it already. And let's exit this, and I can, for the last show of the little program I found quite a while ago and rediscovered it lately for making those sounds. It's called SFXR, and it can pretty easily generate bunch of noises, and you can mutate those with those sliders to create very interesting noises. And I will have the link to it in the description, since it's an open source thing and could be useful for others. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you next time.